Let's go in there. We'll go there. We'll go out.
Don't put it too close to me. Just move it something like that.
Mommy, we'll go in here.
Checking for food.
No, we are going there. Come on.
Appreciate for subscribing.
You are still.
Oh.
Sage, okay? Just hold it properly. Hold it with your right hand. Just like this. The food is somewhere here, I think. This is a hair spa here. Go check at Burger King. I don't like burger. I'd rather go to KFC. You want? Avoiding the traffic. Hey, I just took a video of you. No. Far too long. Okay guys, so we have to go on the other side because yeah, who was driving? Oh. So guys, we are at Marino Mall. So at night, Marino Mall. So that one there is, okay, let's go. You want to take a picture there? At night?
No.
So this is Mandarina. Gaming arcade. Yeah. What happened? Hi guys, so we are at yes, that's a myna bird.
The one with the yellow eyes.
Yes. Whoa, there are Sage, there are how do you say horses there. We are at Viharama Hadlivi Park.
No, God.
Yes, let's go. So we've been shopping for straight 8 days and we decided to just come here and just chill around a bit, and this area is quiet. Relaxing. There is a pool there. There is a pool. That side. Yes.
That's not the right time.
Yeah, it's not the right time. So from where we are staying, it's like, well, if we know the way, it's not really far. So we go to the horses first, okay? Just to relax a bit. Oh wow, they have they have like a playground there.
Fine.
Go go go.
Why is the eyes only glowing?
Yeah, it's good to detox here. And from here to the hotel where we're staying, it's around 276 rupees, and you know, plus the tips, I actually gave around 300. Whoa, Sage, go 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 go.
What's that?
What?
Yeah, there's a bed next to the horses.
And the trees, I like hugging trees.
Yeah. I see some house.
This one we can go near the horses. Just don't go near close. Go forward.
That's what
Might do like this. Go close. There you go. Just not too close, baby. And don't stay near the tail.
I saw the horses.
The what? Yeah. There's biking. We can rent bike. We can go and rent bike.
I don't want that one too.
You want to walk? Later we will walk. This is a nice park here. Yeah. Guys, so we are at
This is Optimus
Viharama
Prime.
Hadidi Park.
This one.
Yes.
This is
And
Bumblebee.
we decided to come here because it's good to detox for a while from every shopping, every, all the shoppings we did. So yeah, it's very relaxing. Yes. So it's good here. It's good. It's good. It's good.
I
Can
want
chill
to go
around.
there. Oh, this one.
Walk properly, baby. Very walk. I wanna try that one. Our bag. There is another one there. We can go further up. We'll see because this is for the big boys. This is for the big boys. You want to try this? You want to try this? This is for the big boys, I think. It's not for... Yeah. Yes, we go up here first. Try this. Let's go. I think it's... no, they don't allow. Yeah. Here. If they are starting to... Yeah. They have food here. There is a playground for you there. You see? Yes, we do that. Yeah, just passing right next to you. That was fun. That was really fun. Okay. I forgot to bring a chocolate for you. Under the ground. There's it. You go underneath. You wanna try it? Give me. I'll sit here. Go under the. Yeah. I think you have to go through here. This is a tunnel here. Okay, go. There.
It ends up there.
Yes, and then you go up. It's good that we come here. I can feel. Go, baby. You have to go underneath. You have to go under the tunnel. Go. There is someone coming out from the tunnel. There she goes. Ah, go. Go. Go under the tunnel, Sage. Ooh. You like it here? Yeah. Go there. There's a dolphin there. Okay. Okay. Sage Alexander. There's none.
I see a slide, but it's abandoned.
Mm.
No house. Abandoned.
Go. Give me your bag. Give me your bag now. What? No, that one is not. No. This one here. Go. Join them. Yes, I'm just really like barefoot because the thing is, if you touch directly on the soil or on the ground, you are getting that energy from like you are recharging. It's like if a phone needs to be recharged, we need to be recharged as well as human. In our uh, the way we recharge is through nature and embrace nature and feel the nature. So stepping on the grass, the ground, It's
I
good.
don't see any
Let them, because I think they are staying on this tree and on that tree there. So yeah, and we're happy to see a squirrel, like real squirrel. Yeah, Sri Lanka is really good with nature. Yes, bro, you want some food? Go.
There's a place there where you can see.
Yes, I know, I know. Go, go, go.
Just go
I
there.
will go and sit there. Yes. Run, 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 run. Sage is just running after the squirrel.
Oh, yeah.
What?
That was looking at me.
But you go. 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 Yeah. Just don't go close to. There's another one on the road. It is friendly. Yes, you can. I think so. Yeah. It won't harm you. You can touch it, I think. Yeah. Alright, guys. So this is the pond, and you're not supposed to step on this. And I've seen the statue of Bahara Mahadevi Park. So we go and take a picture. In that area, there's a cafe. So this place is just a very relaxing place. Like if you want to relax a bit, then this is the place. Go further up.